Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can set up a Truth Social account. The Truth Social is an app which you can easily find on your Play Store or your App Store. So I have downloaded it by going on App Store and searching for Truth Social, and after you download it you can basically just open the app, and this is going to be the first screen you're going to be welcomed with. Now once you're in this screen, in order to create an account, what you can do is at the bottom you can see the create new account option, which is on blue color or light blue. Click on it and it's going to load for some time. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on for future videos like this. Alright, let's move on. Over here, make sure you choose your date of birth. So I'm going to do that. Make sure you choose a correct date of birth, otherwise you might face some problems in the future. Once you do that, click on next, and on the next step it's going to ask you to enter an email address. So enter your email address and make sure you enter a correct email address. Once you do that, click on next, and it's going to take you to the next page, and it's going to send you a verification link on your mail. So you have to go to your mail and click on that link. So I'm going to do that now, and on your mail, as you guys can see, Truth Social has sent me this link. Now what I can do is click on confirm your email over here. Once I do that, my app will automatically open up and my account will be verified. Now once you click on password, make sure you enter a password for your account and do not forget the password. Alright, once you create a password for your account, just click on next, and over here it's going to ask you to choose a username for your account. So choose one. Once you write a username for your account, you can see the little slider. Make sure to turn it on. It means you agree to their terms and service. Once you do that, click on finish, and your Truth Social account should be created. That's how simple it is to set up a Truth Social account. Now if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.